How do you get 600 feet of barbed wire fence nice and straight? Well, there's a couple little tricks you can do. One thing you can do is run a line from one end to the other and then follow that line, and that's kind of what I did.
What's the string for?
Look that way.
Oh, so they're all the same one?
Nice and straight. You can see in the background I put a little bit of orange spray paint right where I needed the post to stop in the ground. So let me know that each post was buried the exact same depth. And then it was just on to pounding in post. All metal post pounders are about the same, just a weighted tube that slides over the top. This one's kind of handy because it has a post straightener on the end. It was pretty slick. I didn't know, never used it, but it worked out great. Just a standard post leveler. It's got a level on each side, makes life easy. All the soldiers standing in a row. Man, that was a workout. I had 600-foot stretches of barbed wire to run along the new fence line, and I was trying to figure out a simple way that I didn't need to walk each 600-foot line of barbed wire. I had to do that 4 times. So I got some pieces together. It's this little spinning handle, a couple eye bolts, and a tie strap. I just hung it through the middle of the van. And then this spool of barbed wire, this is how it comes. It'll spin right off of there. Made it so much easier. Enjoy the unravel. After I run each stretch of barbed wire, I need to wrap it around the post, tie it, and then I use this little ratcheting tensioner, and it adds all the tension I need in the wire, so it just pulls it tight, and I tack it on. Stretching out the other side now and attaching them to the wooden posts. We were putting a gate right in the middle for the tractor to get through, so I added some wooden posts and an H brace, and then that also helps with all the tension of the barbed wire. Now that we got everything set, I just counted up notches so my wires were spaced equally on each post, and then really handy wire clips. So I just counted up how many spaces, added the wire clip, and this little tool just slips on and bends it right around. Super easy. And then down the line, 70 some soldiers. Just grab a chair or a bucket, it makes life easier on this step. Everybody testing out the new fence. Little guy's going nuts out there. There he goes. Careful, buddy. It's barbed wire. He's going nuts. Peanut hates it. Keeps headbutting the posts. Why's this little man going so nuts? There he goes. Careful, bud. Here he goes again. Tell if he doesn't like it. It's good. I was worried. I want them all to see it, know where it is, and leave it alone.